Oh, this is how it looks like here now, because my uncle started to clean it slowly. So some of this pineapple have given fruits already, so we have to remove the shoots and plant it again like a new one. This, see, these are the shoots. See? These are the shoots here. This one and two. So sometimes when the pineapple give fruits, after that they will start giving shoots also. So like each like a mother plant of pineapple, they sometimes it gives like 5 shoots each, sometimes 1, 2, but lots of the time, like if they have good, like healthy pineapples, they give 5 shoots. So it's better to plant the shoots than the crown. So because if you plant a crown, the fruits, and there is the crown, the pineapple, some they plant it, but others they plant only the shoots. So here, look at this one, so big. It's this one. It's nice to get a variety for this. So that is the shoots also, like lots of it here needs to replant because it's not the original now. Those are the mother plants with the shoots. So we have to take it off to remove the shoots and plant it again, so they have good good fruits when we harvest it. That one, this one is fell. It falls up when there was a typhoon. How many? There's so many big trees fell off. Fell off ba? Trying hard man kung mag-English ba? Sorry lang.